If you want to check activation date on POCO F7, we have two main ways that allow us to do so. You can, for example, open Settings, scroll down and go to Google. After that, you want to tap on your profile over here and go to Manage your Google account. Wait a couple of seconds. After that, we want to scroll over here to go to Security. And then in the Security tab, we want to scroll down in order to find your devices. And we want to press Manage All Devices. After that, you should be able to find POCO F7. So let's select it. And then you should be able to find the first sign-in date after verifying yourself. There we go. Here we have the first sign-in, which is a good indicator, especially if you immediately signed into the Google account that we are using right now after obtaining the phone. Now, besides that, we can also go to Settings, and this time we need to go to Battery. And over here, if we go to Battery Protection, we can find the first use, which has the month and year, but no day, unfortunately. So it is less precise. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.